Hai, bersama dengan saya Long daripada iLab. Okey, jadi hari ni kita ada receive satu produk di mana ini adalah iFace. Jadi iFace ni untuk kita nak check Face ID punya dot projector daripada yang ni support daripada iPhone X sehingga iPad A12 sehingga 11 Pro. Okey, jadi jom kita tengok apa yang ada dekat dalam kotak ni. Okey, jadi dekat dalam kotak ni sebenarnya tak ada apa. Okey, dia cuma ada satu case, aluminium case. Okey, jadi saya receive ni, saya order ada 5 pieces saya order, tapi ini plastik dekat sini dan ini besi. So we have an aluminium case, which is this one is plastic, I think, and then this one is the aluminium case, and then the iFace itself, the product itself. So as we can see right here, it support the iPhone X, XS, XR, SS Max, 11, 11 Pro, and also the iPad A12. Okay, so this is the iFace itself, the module itself. The build qualities of this product is not really nice. Okay, jadi dia punya build quality ni tak adalah nice sangat. Okay, dia ada satu clickable button dekat sini. So it has the clickable button to do the checking, and then the USB type connector in here. So it has the battery, and this is just a plastic device. Okay, jadi barang ni cuma plastik saja, dan dekat dalam kotak, okay, dia ada bagi satu manual. Okay, so in the box it has the instruction manual, and I already translated a few of the instruction manual. Okay, jadi dekat sini saya dah translatekan dia punya bahasa Cina kepada bahasa Inggeris, beberapa manual lah. Okay, saya pun tak tahu apa benda, tapi sekiranya keluar macam ni. Okay, let me zoom in first. Okay, if the number one is normal, and then if it shows error like number 2, it could be the fuse problem. And if it shows the NTC, okay, the number 3 one, okay, this means that the NTC is disconnected and it could be the cable problem. And then the number 4 is I2C disconnection. Okay, in Chinese, I don't know how to describe it in Chinese. I2C disconnection, and also it could be the cable problem. And the number 5, if it shows like this, it gives you the error like this, it means that the dot projector is shorted. Okay, short circuit. Okay, jadi kalau kita tengok dekat sini, nombor 1 itu normal, nombor 2 kalau keluar tulisan macam ni mungkin ada problem dengan fuse, nombor 3 mungkin ada problem dengan NTC ataupun kabel dia. Okay, nombor 4 I2C disconnection pun related dengan kabel ataupun flash, dan nombor 5 dekat situ dia ada mention dekat situ short circuit. Okay, kalau keluar error macam ni, dia boleh jadi short circuit. Okay, jadi the manual only given the instruction manual in Chinese. Okay, so manual dia cuma dalam bahasa Cina. Jadi ini adalah produk dia, iFace. Okay, jadi kita akan test. Saya ada satu dot projector iPhone X dekat sini. Okay, jadi seperti yang korang tahu, dot projector ni dia sangat-sangat sensitif, di mana kalau kita tangan biasa tanpa glove, kita lalu dekat atas ni, elektrostatik tu boleh mematikan dia. Okay, so if you're using your fingers like this, and then the dot projector itself might be killed by the electrostatic produced by your finger. Okay, jadi kita akan test dia. Kita akan cuba on dia. Okay, mungkin tak ada bateri, so it could be no battery inside. Okay, we have to power on using the Type-C USB cable. Okay, it is charging the battery, as you can see right there. And right now, it shows the symbol. It shows that circle symbol like that. And then we are going to connect the Face ID projector. Sekarang kita akan sambungkan Face ID punya dot projector ni. Okay, dekat sini. Okay, bila dah sambung, dekat situ dia tulis NTC28 dan iPhone X dekat situ. Okay, dia tulis X saja dekat situ. So it shows the X and also NTC28. Okay, and NTC28 doesn't the instruction manual as we can see right here, dia tak ada apa-apa pasal NTC28. So in the instruction manual, there's nothing about the NTC28. And then we're going to test the dot projector itself. Okay, single click, and then it shows the symbol like that, which means that the projector is normal. Okay, dia menggunakan simbol matahari, keempat-empatnya macam simbol matahari. So the four symbol, okay, right there, it shows the sun, okay, the symbol of the sun, and which indicates that the dot projector is good. Okay, if the dot projector or flex is broken, it will give you the error like this. Okay, so you need to have the manual as a guide for you. Okay, jadi korang perlukan manual ni untuk sebagai guide. Okay, jadi untuk iFace ni dia lebih memudahkan bila kita nak repair Face ID ni, sebab kita nak tahu, kita nak differentiate antara Face ID dot projector punya problem ataupun flood illuminator ataupun ambient light sensor problem. Okay, jadi untuk iFace ni memang kita nak check dot projector ni normal ke tak normal. Okay, so it is very easy for us to check the dot projector whether the dot projector is normal or not using the iFace, because this is just a tester, not a programmer, which you can read and write the data on the dot projector. Okay, jadi dia fungsi dia bukan untuk kita read dengan write dia punya ni. Okay, jadi let's see what's inside the iFace. So we have a rough idea what is inside of the programmer itself. Okay, and I'm going to open the programmer. Okay, jadi saya akan buka untuk kita tengok apa yang ada dekat dalam ni. Okay, there is 4 screw on the front, and also at the back you have 4 screw at the back. So this is just a programmer to test either the dot projector is good or not. And as we can see right here, I have opened the case. Okay, and also the chip itself. Okay, so we have another screw right here. I don't know where's the screw should goes. Oh, screw at the back, I think. Okay, so this is just the programmer. Okay, and also the battery provided and the buzzer. I think this is the buzzer and the Type-C connector. And also we have right here on the tops the on off button. Okay, jadi dekat atas ni kita ada on off button. Okay, saya akan cubakan untuk turn on dia. Okay, mungkin tak ada bateri. Okay, saya cuba klik. Bila kita switchkan kepada on button, I see. Okay, patutlah tadi saya kena masukkan cas. Okay, jadi dekat dalam ni dah ada built-in battery. So inside we have the built-in battery, and the circuit is very simple. Let's see under the microscope what is inside the circuit itself. Okay, I'm going to switch to the microscope view so you guys can see what is inside the motherboard. Okay, what is on the motherboard? When we have the chip TP4056, the Type C connector, the button, and also I don't know what is this chip. It has been engraved, so you can't copy it. Okay, jadi dia dah buang dia punya chip dekat sini. Jadi chip ni yang memainkan peranan dekat sini. Okay, jadi ini sahaja benda yang ada dekat dalam ni. Okay, jadi ini adalah dia punya screen. Okay, so we are going to see the screen. Okay, it is glued by the double side tape right here, and going to press the screen. So it sits on the double side tape. Okay, and we are going to power off. Okay, when you want to power off, you just need to hold the button to switch on or off, and then you are going to switch this from on to off to power it off. Okay, jadi kita cuma perlukan switch benda ni dekat sini untuk off dan dia tak boleh on. Okay, jadi kita pasang semula dia punya casing ni. Okay, okay, jadi saya akan alihkan dahulu. Okay, kita akan pasang satu-satu. We are going to assemble one by one the box itself. Okay, so tighten the screw first. Okay, have tightened the screw, and this one screw, tighten the screw, and the third one already tightened, and the fourth one. Okay, so ini dekat sini. Okay, dan kita akan pasang dia semula. Okay, it is very simple. So we need to align the and then we have the no, this one first. Okay, okay, and then this one, that should be connected right here, and the last one is the case. Okay, we're going to connect the case. And the case is already connected, and assembling the screw. Okay, jadi kita akan sambung pasang screw dekat sini. Okay, one screw, two, third one, and the last one. Alright, done assembling the iFace, and right now we're going to test once again with the dot projector from the iPhone X. So mostly using the camera we can see the red blink on the projector itself. Okay, I'm going to connect this cable first. Okay, and to power on, can use this button. Okay, single press, and then we're going to test the the dot projector is normal right there. Okay, jadi dot projector dekat situ normal. Okay, jadi untuk kita tengok flashing infrared punya flash tu, kita nak kena guna kamera. Okay, jadi saya letakkan kamera dekat situ. Okay, even though it is blur, you can see the link. Okay, you see right there. When we test the dot projector, when we press the dot projector, you can see the infrared light through the lens of your phone. Okay, jadi kita boleh test dot projector ni menggunakan infrared punya light dekat telefon untuk tahu dia elok ataupun tak elok. Okay, jadi dekat sini keempat-empat simbol dekat sini dia shows dia menunjukkan matahari dan ini adalah normal. Okay, so the 4 symbols means normal. Okay, so we're going to power off the device first. Okay, by pressing power off, and then we're going to turn off the switch, which is hard to access the on off button. Okay, jadi itu saja untuk video kali ini. Okay, review dan kita dah buka tengok dekat dalam apa yang ada dekat dalam iFace ni. Jadi dia punya harga tu tak adalah mahal sangat, okay, dan dia lebih memudahkan kerja. So that's all for the video. If you like the video, okay, you can consider to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, jadi untuk yang user dekat Malaysia, okay, kalau korang nak beli benda ni, aku ada order lebih. Okay, adalah 4-5 pieces yang aku order. Okay, kalau kau nak grab benda ni, boleh ada nombor dekat situ, korang roger saja nombor dekat situ. Okay, sekian saja untuk video kali ini. Terima kasih kerana menonton.